And here I am at VTP's brand new project, which is VTP Earth 1. Now, this project is actually located in a land parcel of 13 acres, wherein there are going to be 7 towers. But उससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी क्या है? उससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है इस project का premium location. Can you imagine a place which is located in one of the most posh areas in Pune, which is very close to Baner? So this is called Mahalunge, which is right exactly behind Hinjewadi. So from here, the complete IT hub of Pune is on one side, the Bombay-Bangalore highway is on one side, Balewadi High Street is very close from here. In fact, even Orchid Hotel is very close from here. So what else can you ask for at a place from where everything is very accessible? There are multiple schools and colleges in the vicinity, and this is also a premium location wherein the most beautiful homes of VTP are going to be available for you. They have multiple variants in the 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments, and I'm going to show you their most beautiful 3 BHK apartment, which is a 1446 square feet. Stay with me and let me show you this really beautiful house. And this is the sample flat from inside. Let's come and take a look at it. This is going to be your foyer area, जिसकी वजह से आपके living area में direct access नहीं मिलता है. The complete house has these kind of touch panels, because of which the electricity switchboards also look very beautiful. Now this is your living and dining area. Lekin on one end, right at the beginning of the house, is the guest bedroom. Let's take a look at it. This over here is your guest bedroom that comes with an attached toilet and wash. And this one also comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and also CP sanitary fittings as a part of the standard flat furnishings. And there is this window over here that gives you a standing balcony feeling because of this toughened glass here, which is a fixture, and also this sliding window over here that comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net. Let's proceed back to the living and dining area so that I can show you the rest of the house over here. Now this over here is your living and dining. So this is the living area that comes with this really beautiful balcony. Now if you notice, the balcony comes with wooden flooring, which is anti-skid, and these are ceramic tiles, and also this toughened glass railing right over here. It is also covered from 3 sides, and also the living area comes with a balcony with a window, in fact, which has the access to the balcony, and that window is right over there next to your balcony. The best part about VTP homes is this area. So this is your puja ghar, which is always there in VTP homes, and this one also comes with a very good ventilation. There is a small window over here that allows in perfect ventilation. Now this is your dining area. Dining area may be there is space wherein if you want to use that part as a study room, then they have provided you this space, which can be your puja ghar, and in any case it can also be a storage unit the way it is now. Let's take a look at the kitchen now. This is the kitchen, and the kitchen comes with this L-shaped granite slab right over here, and it ends at your vegetable sink. Now this is your dry balcony area, which comes with wooden finished ceramic tiles and is covered from 3 sides. It comes with a very big window, and the size of the utility area alone is 3.3 by 10 square feet. Walking back into your living and your dining, let's take a look at the common areas. This over here is the common area, and here is the bathroom, the common bathroom. And right opposite it is the kids' bedroom. Now this over here is the kids' bedroom that also comes with another very big window over here to allow in perfect ventilation and also amazing lighting. Again, this is also a standing balcony concept because this is a toughened glass and this is a sliding window. Now it's time to take a good look at this room, and then we will proceed into the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and the best part about the master bedroom is the master bath, which is of 12.2 by 8 square feet. You heard it right. That is the size of this particular bathroom over here, and it comes with a bathtub as well, and anti-skid flooring. Dry wet areas have been separated, and they also have good provision for your solar heaters and water heaters. And this being the master bedroom, it had to have a balcony. So let's go and take a look at it. This over here is your balcony, which is again pretty big, 9 by 4.5 square feet. Comes with wooden finished tiles with a toughened glass railing, and also is covered from 3 sides. Now in case you're wondering कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ, आ रही हूँ मैं आप ही से मिलने, ताकि मैं आपको बता सकूँ की इसके आगे बुकिंग प्रोसेस कैसे करनी है. आता तुम्ही ऑलरेडी हा प्रोजेक्ट बघितलाय, तर आय एम शुअर तुमच्या मनात जो प्रश्न आहे की आता ह्याच्या पुढे काय, तर बुकिंग प्रोसेससाठी खूप सिंपल आहे. खाली कॅप्शन्समध्ये एक लिंक दिलेली आहे, त्या लिंकवर तुम्ही करायचं आहे क्लिक, आणि त्यानंतर आम्ही तुम्हाला कॉन्टॅक्ट करणार आणि आम्ही तुम्हाला पुढची प्रोसेस सुद्धा सांगणार, ऑफर्स आणि डिस्काउंट्स बद्दल सांगणार, आणि त्यानंतर आम्ही तुम्हाला बुकिंग प्रोसेससाठी पूर्णपणे गाईड करणार फिजिकल साईट व्हिजिट्स बरोबर. आता हे फक्त पुण्यातलंच नाही, तर ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड, म्हणजेच भारतातले भरपूर शहर आणि बाहेरचे सुद्धा, लाईक UAE, कॅनडा, सिंगापूर, USA, इथे सुद्धा जर तुम्हाला प्रोजेक्ट्स घ्यायचे असतील तर प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउडलाच कॉन्टॅक्ट करावं लागेल तुम्हाला. अजून प्रोजेक्ट्स बघायचे सिम्पल, लवकरात लवकर आमच्या चॅनलला करा सबस्क्राईब, म्हणजे कुठलाही प्रोजेक्ट तुमच्या शहरातला किंवा बाहेर जर तुम्हाला घ्यायचं असेल तर सगळं काही तुम्हाला मिळणार एकाच छताखाली, म्हणजेच इथे प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउडवर. सबस्क्राईब करा आणि लवकरात लवकर त्या लिंकवर सुद्धा क्लिक करा, म्हणजे रेजिस्टर पण व्हाल. भेटूयात आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये.